And the last 2 days after this program, the next day, all the participants will go to Universal Studio, and I think this is a quite interesting also activity that a lot of Indonesian students want to visit the Universal Studio. So, when the last time you visit Universal Studio, Brandon?
Wow. The last time I visited Singapore's Universal Studio, maybe it was early this year. Early this year,
Early this year.
I went there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So it's still as crowded until now. So I think every time when you go there, you'll be even though I went it a few times, but I always go in to look at it because all
yeah.
the attractions over there is very special. All the characters, like for example, if any of them like minions, you will definitely will
Yeah,
go there because there is minions
yeah,
in,
yeah.
yeah, and you can take, and there's a lot of characters inside that they can explore and all the attractions that they can play over there.
Last month I visit Singapore with a student, like more like half of the students extend their stay in Singapore to visit the Universal Studio. And for you, other participants, this is your chance to learn and also to have fun in Universal Studio. And also, we will bring some of the participants to the campus tour to do the campus tour in Singapore. We are trying to contact some campus to see the how they have the facility in campus and also what they learn, right? Because I think in December the campus must be in an off session, right? They will
Mm,
be in a holiday session, but maybe some of the campus still open their several facility to see,
mm,
just to make the Indonesian student inspired by the education in Singapore, since we know that the PISA score that showed that Singapore is one of the best in the world for education.
mm.
So also in Indonesia, we want to live our education system, so we learn from the best. What why we have this collaboration program. Could you please, Brandon, ask our students or the parents to join this program for the last time?
Okay, no problem. So, I Singapore is a very interesting place because of how diverse we are in the world. So, in terms of we have a lot of cultures, a lot of people living together, and the education system itself in Singapore. Yeah, we can say we are one of the top one, but actually, you can come and explore and feel it yourself to see that whether like what they say in the news or what, whether is it like what they say, and everything over here, all the food is very good. The halal food over here is very fantastic as well. Then all the people here are very friendly, and also by coming over here, they might be able to learn some um, unique skill set that they have never known before. And by coming over here, they might be able to actually find like have to create some special moments or special memories that they will not be able to get it when they are at a when they're going out to work. So, yeah, so I think hopefully everybody come over here to actually try out the or to actually experience how Singapore kids or children are actually having lessons here in for robotics, or how they are actually having lessons in Singapore. Yeah, I think that one will actually help them. Right.
Yep, thank you, Brandon. And only limited seat for this program. Jadi Bapak dan Ibu, hanya ada 25 seat untuk ikutin program ini, dan terdiri atas dua package, ada yang premium dan ada juga yang basic. Di mana premium kita sudah menyediakan keberangkatan sampai penginapan dan makan 3 kali sehari, serta semua kebutuhan selama di Singapura sampai pulang ke Indonesia. Sedangkan basic package, Bapak dan Ibu cukup membayar uang pembelajarannya saja, ya. Lalu kemudian untuk mengatur keberangkatannya bisa diatur sendiri, sampai dengan tempat tinggalnya. Kita memberikan informasi tentang di mana kegiatannya dan jadwalnya, karena ada beberapa orang tua dan parents serta anak-anak yang mungkin sudah biasa melakukan visit ke Singapura, ya, sehingga mereka dapat mengatur sendiri dan tinggal belajarnya saja yang barengan dan juga ikut ke universitas studinya. Jadi Bapak dan Ibu bagi yang tertarik tinggal mengontak tim kita dan segera mendaftar, karena hanya beberapa orang saja yang bisa mengikuti program ini, dan jangan sampai ketinggalan karena ini berbeda dengan program-program robotik lainnya. So, Brandon, thank you for your time. Thank you for your explanation. Hopefully that a lot of Indonesian will join this program, and cannot wait to see you in this December with our team to have a robotic program together. So, thank you all and see you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.